All right. Good morning and welcome to the Annual General Meeting of Shareholders of Leef Brands, Inc. My name is Kevin Wilson and I am the Chief Financial Officer of the company. With the consent of this meeting, I shall act as the chair of this meeting. I will ask Aaron Sonshine of Bennett Jones LLP, legal counsel to the company, to act as secretary of this meeting. And I will ask Sonny Schmidt of Olympia Trust Company, the company's registrar and transfer agent, to act as scrutineer of the meeting. In order for the meeting to cover all of the business for which it was convened within a reasonable period of time, the chair will be moving all resolutions which need not be seconded. The procedure is not an attempt to discourage participation, but merely a way to expedite the proceedings. I would ask that general questions and comments on the current activities of the company and other discussions unrelated to the specific matters to be voted on at this meeting be reserved until the formal business portion of the meeting is completed. There will be ample opportunity after the formal business portion of the meeting for those shareholders present in person to raise any questions, concerns, Bennett Jones on you.
Now I can hear you.
Sorry, Sonny. Where did we drop, if you don't mind?
Probably just as we're getting into the notice of the meeting related to management information circular, which is the page 3.
My apologies, folks. I am going to start at the top and potentially repeat just a little bit. Good on. Start on 3. Notice of this meeting and the related management information circular dated May 13th, 2026, and the form of proxy in respect to the meeting were filed under the company's profile on SEDAR+, posted on the company's website, and mailed to the shareholders of record as of April 27th, 2026. I received a statutory declaration from Olympia Trust Company attesting to the mailing on May 13th, 2026 of the form of proxy, along with the proxy return envelope, and the notice and access notice in respect to the meetings to the company's shareholders of record as of April 27th, 2026. I direct the secretary to attach the declaration in the minutes of this meeting. The scrutineer's report is complete and quorum is present. I therefore declare the meeting to be properly constituted for the transaction of business. I now refer you to the consolidated audited financial statements of the company for the financial years ended December 31st, 2025 and 2024, together with the report of the auditors therein. Electronic copies of the financial statements and the auditor's report are accessible under the company's profile on SEDAR+, and also on the company's website in line with the instructions provided in the notice of meeting, and as such have been placed before the shareholders of the company. If any shareholder has any questions or comments regarding the financial statements, I would be pleased to address them during the question and answer period at the conclusion of this meeting. We will now proceed with fixing the number of directors. I move the adoption of a resolution fixing the number of directors for election at this meeting at 5. May I have a vote on the matter by a show of hands? All in favor? Contrary? I declare the motion carried. We will now proceed with the election of the directors. I nominate the following persons whose names appear as nominee directors on the circular for election as directors: Micah Anderson, Kevin Wilson, Emily Heitman, Andrew Glashow, and Robert James Mendola Jr. Barring any alternative director nominations in accordance with the advance notice provision of our articles, I move that the persons nominated be elected as directors of the company to hold such office until the next annual general meeting of shareholders or until their successors are duly elected or appointed. May I have a vote on the matter by a show of hands? All in favor? Contrary? I declare the motion carried. The next item of business is the appointment of the auditors of the company for the ensuing year and authorization of the directors to fix the remuneration for such auditors. I move the adoption of the resolution appointing M&K CPAs PLLC as auditors of the company until the close of the next annual meeting of shareholders or until a successor is appointed, authorizing the board of directors to fix the auditor's remuneration during this period. May I have a vote in favor of the matter by a show of hands? All in favor? Contrary? I declare the motion carried. Thank you. That concludes the business brought before this meeting. I move to conclude the formal part of this meeting and declare the motions carried. The formal part of this meeting has ended. Thank you for participating in our annual general meeting of Leef shareholders. Now, let's open it up for questions. I'm hearing none. All right. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you for participating and look forward to, if anyone has any other questions, you can reach out directly, ir@leefca.com. We'll be happy to answer them for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.